Welcome to day 23 of the Etsy Hacks Challenge. In today's hack, I'm going to show you how to edit your public profile to reflect what you want buyers to see. Let me show you how it works. To edit your public profile, all you have to do is head over to your Etsy store, log in, and click on your name on the bottom right corner right here. It's going to open a new window, and it's going to have this little link right here that says Edit Public Profile. Go ahead and click there. And it's going to open this additional window here where you're able to edit your profile. The options that you have is that you could change your name if you have to. You could change your gender. Maybe you don't want to say what your gender is, or you want to create a custom one. Here, you're able to change your city, especially if you moved. So I'm going to go ahead and change mine since I moved to Atlanta, Georgia. Here, you're able to go ahead and change or add your birthday. Here, you're able to talk about who you are as a business owner. And then down here, you could include on your profile shop, favorite items, and favorite shops. So if you don't want to show your favorite shops, you could remove that. If you don't want to show your favorite items, you could remove that and just keep your shop there. And then click Save Changes. So that's how easy it is to edit your public profile. Let me know if you're planning to do any changes, and thanks for watching.